There are so many products out there that claim to cleanse your body and leave you feeling great that it's often overwhelming when you're trying to choose one. Having recently tried out Inno Nitrate and been very impressed with the results after only 1 month of use, I noticed that Inno also produces a cleanse supplement that aids in bloating and supports the digestive system. Before I get into my review of Inno Cleanse and its detox properties, I wanted to outline what exactly the supplement is and a bit about the company behind it. Based out of America, Inno provides fat-burning and workout recovery supplements that anyone can use, from professional athletes to people who only casually work out. It's also worth noting that all of their products are vegan-friendly and non-GMO, meaning they use natural ingredients and stay away from additives that you'll find in a lot of supplements from other brands you may have come across before. Absolutely. They manufacture their products in the United States in an FDA and GMP certified facility. They also source out the highest quality ingredients to use in all of their products, so you don't need to worry if what you're consuming will harm your body. Inno supports numerous professional athletes and fitness influencers too, who you can look at through their Instagram page if you're interested. Now that you have a bit of background information about Inno you'll probably want to know more about Inno Cleanse and how it helps to support gut health and waist trimming. Within a 24-48 hour period, you'll be able to feel the effects of this natural cleanse as it flushes out the toxins in your intestines and gut. It aids in regular bowel movement and gives you a colon cleanse. But don't worry, it won't have you rushing to the toilet constantly. Like all of Inno products, Inno Cleanse is made up of natural ingredients. One of the major ingredients in Inno Cleanse is Cascara sagrada, which is a bark powder that causes gentle muscle contractions in the intestines, helping to excrete excess waste. Inno Cleanse also includes natural ingredients such as aloe leaf extract, fennel seed, and milk thistle. Inno Cleanse is a gut cleanse that aids in waist trimming, promoting good gut health, and reduces bloating. It also alleviates constipation, but won't have you dashing to the toilet every 5 minutes. The natural ingredients work together to ensure that the body eliminates excess toxins by passing them through the intestines. This has actually been perfect for me, as I usually suffer from some type of bloating while I'm traveling, but don't want to use supplements that contain ingredients I can't pronounce. I've been using Inno Cleanse for just under 2 weeks now, and can honestly say that the feeling of being bloated has gone away substantially. I figured that the best way to test this cleanse out would be to bring it with me on one of my trips, as that's when I feel the most bloated. I had taken it a few days before leaving for my trip, to ensure that I felt the effects of the detox while I was away. It worked exactly as it claims to do, and not only was I a lot less bloated, I also felt a bit more energized since I wasn't feeling as heavy throughout the day. The regular price of Inno Cleanse is $49.99, but it's currently on sale on their website for $39.99. One bottle of Inno Cleanse contains 60 capsules, which if you take 2 per day will last you for 30 days. There is also a subscription option where you can get 20% off Inno Cleanse, making it $31.99 per month, where you'll receive a new bottle every 30 days. This month, I tested out their Sour Kids candy flavor, which was a nice change from the pink Starblast one. The purpose of Valkarn 2000 is to aid in the fat loss process while you're working out, and it also gives you a little burst of energy too. Be prepared to sweat more if you take Valkarn 2000, as this stimulant-free supplement makes your body heat up moments after taking it. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.